Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I took the opportunity to read through and look at the different security blog posts from around the web concerning the Patch Tuesday updates that we have, and today, July 12th, 2022. So I told you there was a zero-day flaw, and that zero-day is apparently extremely important to fix. It has to do with CSRSS. That is the Windows Client Server Runtime Subsystem. And basically, it is actively exploited zero-day, apparently. Microsoft doesn't give a lot of details about widespread targeted attacks from it. But from multiple reports, this is something that's been going on for a little while now. So this fix is important. But there are a couple of vulnerabilities that I was looking at, the different security blog posts. One that is to also fix, because that's extremely important in there, is, according to Dustin Childs of Trend Micro's Zero Day Initiative, the tampering vulnerability in the Windows Server service that actually may allow an attacker to upload and authenticate with a malicious certificate. So that means they could actually have themselves pass for an authentic certificate that could be used. Now, Microsoft usually doesn't give to these updates a very high rating, but now they're actually giving it a critical rating in this case. There's also a remote code execution in the Windows NFS system that might also be apparently very important. So, and this is also according to Trend Micro. Critical, by the way, because one of the things that we see is high severity, critical, and so on. Critical flaws are expected to be exploited apparently within 30 days. So it gives you an idea of how important these updates are, and that actually having the Patch Tuesday updates is of pretty important, especially if you use and go on the web a lot. So make sure that you update for safety purposes, because this month apparently there are a few of these security flaws that are a little bit and even more very important. So make sure Windows 11, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 get the cumulative updates today. July 12th, 2022 for security, to make sure that you stay safe on your computer when you're using Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.